Books for the Blind. I'm Ryan Blacksher Vargas in San Gabriel, where students are using 3D pens like this to create books for the visually impaired.
And teens who attended the free teen night at the library station were able to use these pens to draw directly onto children's books.
It is Giving Tuesday. It's a day of charitable giving to mark the beginning of the holiday season. And students at St. Thomas the Apostle Catholic School in Grand Rapids took their giving to a whole new dimension, creating books that blind students can see.
3D printing is expected to become a $34 billion industry in the future. Students have worked with a larger 3D printing machine this semester, but today they used a handheld 3D printer called 3Doodler.
No 3D printer is needed. They simply place the ink or the filament into the pen and press start. Then they trace the lines along each drawing, and once the ink dries, the pictures can be felt.
Instead of giving the computer an image, you hold it with your hand and draw whatever you like.
I can't believe we're in such an era at this point where we could just get a pen and just trace around the picture so people that cannot read or see can feel the image. They could feel it, and that just feels really amazing to me.
Hearing and touch is so important to seeing for blind and visually impaired people.
Students will complete several copies of the same book, and all those copies will be donated to a group that works with visually impaired kids.